Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a wiggly faucet handle in the shower. So you're going to need a 7/64 Allen key. That's going to be probably the hardest thing to find. But just make sure you don't try to use a screwdriver or it'll strip the hardware out, since the hardware is the 6-point Allen head. You will need a cross point or Phillips screwdriver as well. So you're going to come into the faucet here with that Allen key, and there's a hole right in the nose of the handle. So you're going to go ahead and remove that screw, turning it counterclockwise. And so as soon as that screw comes out, then you're going to be able to pull the faucet handle directly off of the housing. So now just come in with your Phillips screwdriver, your cross point screwdriver, and you don't want to tighten this too much or it'll be hard to turn the faucet handle. So just snug it back up until it's not loose anymore. So this looks pretty good here, and installation is the exact opposite. Very easy. Just slide this back on and put the screw back in. Okay, you'll now just turn that screw clockwise. Make sure you don't go too hard. You don't want to strip it out. You just want to get it nice and snug. And from there, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward, not too bad, right? So anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thanks, guys.